TENTSFORMER Raincoat. Introducing the One Tigris TENTSFORMER, a versatile outdoor essential for adventurers. See now how useful this product is. Crafted for durability, this raincoat is your shield against the elements. Not just a raincoat, it transforms into a bushcraft poncho tent, offering shelter in the wild. Waterproof and lightweight, it's designed for the comfort and protection of both men and women. Easy to pack and carry, it fits into your backpack without adding bulk. Its multi-use design means you stay dry or find refuge, making it perfect for camping, hiking, and emergencies. Quick to set up as a tent, it provides immediate cover during unexpected weather changes. The TENTSFORMER is made with high-quality materials, ensuring it withstands the rigors of outdoor use. Its adaptability makes it an essential gear for every outdoor enthusiast's collection. Whether facing rain or needing a quick shelter, the TENTSFORMER has you covered. Experience the outdoors with confidence, knowing you're prepared for any weather. The One Tigris TENTSFORMER, where innovation meets practicality, transforming your adventures. Rated 4.4 stars. Link in the description and subscribe to the channel. Thank you and see you in the next video.